Hey guys, it's Pix Travels here with my brother. Got a package from Rogue Energy. We're gonna unbox it today. Very odd shaped box, I don't know how it's gonna be opened. Okay. Well then. Rogue Energy now offers free sample packs. All you have to do is just pay for the shipping. Here's the black shaker cup. OG. Huh? I was gonna leave it in the package for now. And then I got another wine voucher card, $100 card. No code on the back, so I can point it out. Then I got strawberry kiwi Rogue Energy sticker. They sent me a packet of what's in here. A Rogue Shake card telling you how to mix up some shakes. And then we got the 3 samples right here that I ordered. All I did was just do the shipping process. Got blood orange, raspberry peach, and caramel vanilla latte. This flavor here is new. This recently came out. Now I have it in pack form for my collection of packs. Yeah, those are 4. Yeah, and then we got more pack forms of that, and then blue raspberry, dragon fruit mango, grape popsicle, mango pineapple, and another blood orange. And that is everything that was in the package. Oh wait, there was this here. But it's not a sticker, it's just a card. That's really cool. There's a note on the back. It says, "Thank you for being a value member of Rogue Nation. You clearly want a better tasting, more effective energy drink, and that's exactly what we pride ourselves on delivering." Chief Executive Officer Zach Dudzik has wrote that. Anyways, that was what was in the box of Rogue Energy. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Comment down below what's your favorite flavor of Rogue Energy. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!